one of the greatest technological breakthrough in 2021, and now this time the impact is on the red planet. Yes, NASA's Ingenuity Mars Helicopter rover becomes the first aircraft in history to make a powered controlled flight on the red planet on 19th April 2021. The small helicopter rose 9.8 feet, hovered there for about 30 seconds before returning to the Mars surface, with a total flight time of 39.1 seconds. This helicopter was launched to Mars on July 30, 2020.
The Perseverance rover headed to Mars, ready to ride a column of fire and smoke on its way to the red planet.
It was attached to the belly of NASA's Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. So, what are the scope and outcome? Number 1. Ingenuity is an experimental flight test. It is mainly a technology demonstration for the first time, but with limited scope. Ingenuity's main objective is to demonstrate rotorcraft flight in the extremely thin and critical atmosphere of Mars. Number 2. Ingenuity is attempting the first powered control flight on the red planet. Yes, all the solar planets are unique on their characteristics. Mars is one of them. The temperature on Mars is extremely low at nights, and especially at J0 crater, it is around minus 90 degrees Celsius. Ingenuity's main objective is to survive at this low temperature. The atmospheric density of the Mars is extremely thin. That is why Ingenuity has been designed to be light. Number 3. Ingenuity is a smart robot. Yes, a robot can do wonder using artificial intelligence. Ingenuity will make some of its own decisions based on parameters set by NASA scientists. Ingenuity has a kind of programmable thermostat, for instance, that will keep it warm on Mars from extreme cold. What next? For that, we have to really looking forward watching Ingenuity's Grand Slam shots on Mars. If Ingenuity succeeds, future Mars exploration could be more interesting and result-oriented. Ingenuity is intended to demonstrate technologies needed for flying in the critical atmosphere. Also, if successful, these technologies could enable other advanced robotic flying vehicles that would be helpful for future Mars mission. Thank you for watching this video. More stunning videos are on the way. Have a nice day. Bye bye.